So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we're going to be answering the question, is TD Ameritrade a good brokerage platform for beginners? Specifically, I think we can talk about TD Ameritrade's main platform for trading, which is the Thinkorswim platform, which they purchased a number of years ago. But I do think that TD Ameritrade has its limitations for new traders. It can sometimes be a little bit overwhelming for new traders to get acclimated to the TD Ameritrade platform and the Thinkorswim platform. And the reason is because honestly, there's so many buttons and tabs and things to press. It almost feels like you're in a jet engine cockpit and you don't want to touch too many things, but you know you have to basically push some buttons to make charts appear and to make trades work. Overall, I do think it's still the best platform out there. So I think the learning curve is something that you can get over very quickly. We have a lot of videos on our website and also on our YouTube channel that go through in detail and step-by-step how to get started with the Thinkorswim platform from TD Ameritrade. Also, how to set up your charts, how to set up the trade tab, how to start placing orders and start adjusting and analyzing your portfolio. It really is one of the best platforms that's out there. I think, like I said, for beginners, it's definitely going to be a little bit of a learning curve, but hopefully you can get over that with our help and our free training and videos. As always, if you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.